everybody, this is one more quick tutorial for you to kind of show you how to download the data that is available for us for part of this week's lab. So on the plotting in Excel exercises, I'm going to click here on the link that I have set for us. And from there, it takes us to this lovely website. We're going to use this website several times, but this particular section is looking at sea ice and snow cover extent. We're going to do temperatures and things of that nature when we get to our climate change thing, but for sake of just getting practice at downloading data and graphing data, I wanted to use something that was really nice and tangible, such as sea ice extent, right? So I don't want you to change any of these parameters because I want everyone's graph to look the same for the moment. So do not change any of this, okay? No changing. So there's several ways to download the data here. So at this little section right here where it says download, there's 3 little buttons that allow you to download the data in its particular format. You can download it in XML, CSV, which is comma separated value, or JSON. I'm not exactly sure what that one is, but there are several ways that you can do this depending on your machine. So I'm going to try and show several different ways. First way is to simply click on that format, but that does not appear to have any style information associated with it, right? So I generally suggest to go to this middle icon here. See how it looks like the Excel X? So this is the one that is going to most easily be imported into either your Excel spreadsheet or your Google Sheets spreadsheet. So one way, again, to do it is to just click on it if your machine allows that, and then it will pop up. I have a Mac, remember, so this is how it pops up for mine. It may pop up differently if you have a Windows, but this you can then just open that downloaded file into your Excel spreadsheet. So this is how it looks for me here, right? So notice how we have 3 columns that give us our date, value, and anomaly. And then, I'll go through in the lab how to manipulate this and to make a graph, but this is a video simply to download the data. So I'm going to go over here so once that's downloaded, you can also input it into a Google Sheets thing. So if you go to a blank slate, then you can simply go to File, Open, Upload, select a file from your device. We downloaded that data, right? So we're going to go to the downloads portion of my computer here, and I'm going to click Data CSV, which is what that was, and then click Open, and it will automatically open for us here in Google Sheets. See, it looks exactly the same as the Excel spreadsheet. It's just simply a different software. I personally prefer Google Sheets, but that's just me. Okay, so another way to download the data, which may work better for some of us, all right? Some of us, our machines are really different, and it doesn't like to just be clicked on. So what you're going to do here is right or center click, again, depending on your machine, and bam, see that lovely little menu that pops up for me? So what you're going to do here is you're going to go down here to Save Link As. And when you click on that, you can then simply put it into your downloads file as, I'm just going to say data, blah, and then I can do save. Now it's saved there, and we can then go to Excel, do open, go to downloads, data blah, and there she is, the same exact thing, right? And then you would do that same idea for Google Sheets as well. So remember, we're not copying and pasting this lovely little plot here. You're going to make your own. This video is simply to just clarify how to download the data, and the easiest way, I think, to download the data. All right. Thank you so much. And if you have any other issues, some of us just have issues with our machines, please just let me know and I'm happy to try and help the best I can. Okay? See you soon.